All right. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening to anybody. I don't know when I will be posting this video, but I just got the call with one of my mentors. As you can see, I took many notes. Um, this is my personal trading plan to reach my goals. Um, Now, many people ask me consistently, what is the foreign exchange market? What is forex? How are you making your money? Why are you posting what you're posting? What is the succession of that? Is it a scam? No, it is not a scam to answer that question. Um, it is a very major market. This is actually what your banks do with your money, whether you know it or not. And even if you think that you haven't participated in the foreign exchange market, you definitely have. I'm gonna raise my voice a little bit. I'm pretty quiet right now. Sorry about that. The foreign exchange market. Now, to give you an example that my mentors constantly use in their 7:30 webinars that we have every Monday and Friday. They usually last about 30 to 40 minutes, so it's not too much time out of your day to expand your knowledge. Now, I'm going to give you an example. Now, say that you have $200 USD, which is the US dollar, the American dollar. Say you have $200 and you decide you plan a trip to go on vacation. Say you go to Australia. Now, you go to Australia, obviously you're going to have to do a currency exchange to utilize your money while you're over there. Now, say that your $200 US dollars is equivalent to 500 Australian dollars. Now, when you make that exchange, you are automatically participating in the foreign exchange market manually. And when I say manually, it's because you are using cash currency and utilizing, their paper, their cash currency. Now, say for example, something comes up, you have to come back home, whether your kids got sick or you have to go tend to your family, whatever the reason may be. You have to cut your trip short. You already made the exchange. You didn't spend any of that money because you didn't have the chance. Now, you fly back over to America. Obviously, you're going to have to do the exchange again for the US dollar. Now, the way the foreign exchange market works, currency is constantly going to fluctuate. The US dollar is going to fluctuate at different rates from the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar is going to fluctuate at different rates than the Japanese yen. Understand that when you come back and you have 500 Australian dollar or dollars and the American dollar inflated while you had already participated in the foreign exchange market and obtained the 500 Australian dollar. Now, when you get there, obviously they're going to tell you that we cannot give you 200 USD back because the rates have inflated. As much as they may like to, because it's less money that they're giving you, they cannot, because they are legally obliged to giving you what your money is truly worth. So, due to the inflation rates, they have to give you back $250, $300, whatever the rates may be. That is pretty much how the foreign exchange market works and what I do. I do it at the hands of my phone or whatever. I use my fingertips to participate in this market as opposed to traveling in and out of the country and doing manual exchanges. So pretty much what I do, there's multiple currency pairs. Obviously, there's the Canadian dollar, there's the Japanese yen, there's the euro, there's the pound, the Great British pound, there's the US dollar, Australian dollar, the Swiss franc. There are multiple different pairs that we are able to trade and utilize in order to make profit. And this is pretty much what I do on a daily basis. We have a partnership through iMarkets Live, and this is where your fee is essentially going to. It's not going to me. It's not going to any of my colleagues or mentors. It is going directly to that. iMarkets Live. Now the initial fee is $225. Understand, $225 is really not that much for investing in yourself. Many people will go out and go buy the new 2K and then go buy VC. That's already $200, $300. You're buying Legend Edition, it's $100. You're buying VC, it's another $100. That's $200 already right there. You're going to go buy the new Jordans. $220 right there. Plus tax. Why not use that $225 to invest in yourself and expand your money? Expand your wealth. Expand your name, essentially. Right? So, pretty much how it works is iMarkets Live, you pay them $225 in order to get enrolled. And they're offering tools. And even, tutoring sessions, one-on-one mentor sessions. IML Academy. We have the harmonic scanner. And what this does is it finds harmonic patterns in certain currency pairs in order to tell you when to get in for a buy or a sell to get you in profit. The harmonic scanner is a $9 million tool given to us at the fee of $225. Let that sink in. Let that sink in. $225 you're giving up to utilize a $9 million tool that no one has access to except for the people that are in this market. That's not the only thing iMarkets Live offers. We have IML Academy. Anytime you want to sit there and get on and learn something new, you just hop on and watch a video on IML Academy. And these videos are not long. They're about 5 minutes each. And there's about 100 videos that you can sit there and watch to expand your knowledge on market structure. All the resources are given to you at a fee of $225. The guideline to success is given to you at the price of Jordans, at the price of the new 2K, at half the price of a new gaming system. Whatever you're interested in, compare that. You're getting something that is going to get, temporary usage. You're going to play it for like a year, right? And then you're going to go get the new one, spend another $200. This is something that you're taking with you forever. Forever. Now, understand that when you hop into this market, we have opportunity, and this is the thing. This is what people grasp and run with and say that we are a pyramid scheme, we're a scam. Totally incorrect. Totally incorrect. People will sit there and down talk this and have never participated in it. Never took the time out of the day to put any type of study and understanding into what we do and how it works. Right? Now, we have rankings. Understand that iMarkets Live is a relatively small networking business right now. They're trying to expand. When you're trying to expand, you're ultimately going to offer your consumers a prize, a reward for their service, a loyalty reward. So that is pretty much what is seen to be the pyramid scheme. We make tons of money just trading, utilizing the tools that iMarkets Live gives us. Gold Cup, Swipe Trades, Swipe Coin, IML Academy, the Harmonic Scanner. All of those things make us money every single day. Why do I need to sit there and scam you? Why? When I'm making money from the market every single day, I can go and make $1,500 in 2 to 3 hours. If the numbers is looking right on a trade, if my account balance is looking right, I can sit there and go and make $1,500 right now. So we work in ranks. Obviously, 2 signups, they waive your monthly subscription fee. Yes, there is a monthly subscription fee of $164.95, not a cent over, not a dime lower. $164.95. Now you could automatically get this waived once you enroll 2 people. That is their reward to you for getting more people to utilize their program. And after 3 people, they start paying you. So instead of paying that $164.95, they give you $150 a month. That sounds pretty good to me. 3 people. And they're giving you $150 a month residually. Not including any of your trades, nothing. You don't have to do anything but kick your feet up and wait for that paycheck to come through every single Friday, $37.50. Now you get 12 people. That's Platinum 600, $600 a month. That's $150 every single week while having your feet up. You don't even have to trade. That sounds pretty good to me. P1000, that's 30 people. Yo, $250 a week. That don't sound bad. That's equivalent to what you're working for, most likely minimum wage. That's a 30-hour work week, 20-hour work week. So understand when I tell you that this opportunity is truly, truly great, an accelerant. Being in this opportunity, joining the foreign exchange market will not only set you financially free, but spiritually free. If you're one to believe in spirituality, once you take that leap, it opens many doors of success for you. Because not only are you putting faith and trust in yourself, you're putting faith and trust in the person that is enrolling you. Because they have gave you all of these gems, all of this knowledge, all of these gems right here, and told you that, I wouldn't lead you wrong, man. I pull out what? For just an example, I pull out $2,000 a week and just trading. Why would we have to lie about that? Why? So understand that it's not about the money after a point. Don't worry about the money, because you have a team behind you that is going to make sure that you're doing what you're doing to your best capabilities. You have all of these tools to utilize. If you're doing all your homework, if you're plugging into these sessions, these trainings and everything like that, you will be perfectly fine and you will be in profit within 72 hours, guaranteed. Guaranteed. That sounds great to me. Honestly, I felt the need to just make this video to enlighten a lot of my peers and people that are interested in joining the foreign exchange market with a little bit of skepticism. I hope I deleted a little bit of skepticism, because everything that I'm saying right now is truly genuine. I speak with experience. I speak with empathy. I speak with just knowledge, wisdom. I was in that point where I was a little bit skeptic. I'm like, I know about it. I've heard about it for the last, year or so. I personally was participating in the cryptocurrency market for about 2 to 3 years now. So I watched Bitcoin when it boomed up from $800 to $13,000. I watched that, and I actually made a little bit of money off of it. But when it was presented to me that I could do that on a consistent daily basis with multiple different currency pairs, because everything in the world economically related moves ultimately in the same way. whether for a sell or a buy, it ultimately moves in the same way. I couldn't turn it down because I already knew what it could do for me. So like I said, I just wanted to enlighten everyone and make people see the vision a little bit, stronger. Because honestly, I'm in a position right now where I want to get as many people as I can to hop on this train before it departs. Once it departs, it will be so much harder to get into this opportunity with the same formality and reward that you're being offered right now. Risk takers are money makers. Note takers are money makers. You see this, man? Note takers are money makers. Risk takers are money makers, man. So honestly, that's all that I have to say. If there's any questions, please just leave it in the comments. Sorry about that. My Instagram is mel.hbk. So if anything, you just follow me, watch my story or whatever, slide up in my DMs with any questions or comments or concerns. And that's really all I have to say. I wanted to try to keep it underneath 20 minutes. I actually wanted to try to keep it underneath 15 minutes, but hey, I just want to make sure you guys get your information and everything like that. Thank you for listening, and good night, good morning, whatever, good afternoon.